everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1965 Buick Skylark Convertible. Beautiful car, very rare car, color combination Midnight Aqua, the black interior. It's got a white power top that's beautiful shape that's been redone. This car is really a nice car, guys. It runs and drives fantastic. It's the ultimate cruiser, no squeaks, no rattles, all factory power plant in it, automatic trans, 10-bolt rear end. Got the chrome 15-inch rally wheels, white letter, BF Goodrich radial TAs, power windows, power steering, power brakes. Original chrome and trim is beautiful on the car. There is some little pitting here and there, just due to being original. The car has been repainted over the years. The interior was redone. It's got a newer top on that's power. Very high option car here. Stunning color combination. Beautiful interior, seat covers, door panels, all the window felts, the rubbers all been replaced. Beautiful dash pad, no cracks. Updated stereo, AM, FM. Little chrome's been done here, visors look good. Sorry, there is one little tiny crack on the side of the dash pad, just noticed. Factory seat belts are in it, all the interior lights work. Beautiful seat covers, factory power options, all work in the car. Jams are all done, new door sill moldings, new window felts, like I said, new door rubber seals. Door gaps, all nice, everything fit and finished, looks really nice on it. Does have a new windshield in it. Chrome and trim, all looks nice. Not perfect, it's original. Really detailed nicely under the hood here. All satin. Firewall's been all done. This car's fully tuned. It's got all new fluids, new belts, new hoses. Carburetor's been rebuilt. The radiator's been redone. It's got a new battery in it. It's a turnkey car. Just jump in and have fun. All of the air conditioning is there. It will need to be looked at if the air conditioning does not work. The factory clock does not work. Those are only two items that do not work on this car. Super straight. All done under the hood, all new liners. Foot hinges have been all done. Beautiful undercarriage and new exhaust. It's got new shocks, new gas tank in it. Passenger side here. There's a spot in the dash pad I didn't notice until just now here. There you go. There's a little spot right there. Jams all look nice. Original owner's manual isn't in the glove box. Beautiful interior. Those door panels. Runs and drives fantastic. If you're looking for a turnkey car, better get on the phone and give us a call. This car's not going to last. We're going to price it to sell it. The car's got a great look to it. Trunk's all finished off, crutch splatter paint, spare jacks in it, trunk mat, new trunk seal. Jams all look nice. Questions at all, my name's Dave. Number's 586-791-0778, showdownauto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.